Hello, people. Welcome back. This is your first time here. Then you know. Oh, sorry. This is a series of video tutorials who want to do better in the TOEFL test, and we're working with structure and written expression with adjectives and adverbs. So I'm gonna work with skill 48. Skill 48. Position adjectives and adverbs correctly. Adjectives and adverbs can appear in incorrect positions in the written expression section of TOEFL test. There are two common errors of this type that you should be aware of. One, the position of adjectives with the nouns they describe, and two, the position of adverbs with objects. In English, it is correct to place a one-word adjective in front of the noun it describes. On TOEFL test, however, an incorrect sentence might have an adjective after the noun it describes. Example, the information important is on the first page. In this example, the adjective important should come before the noun information because important describes information. The second problem you should be aware of is the position of adverbs with objects of verbs. When a verb has an object, an adverb describing the verb should not come between the verb and its object. So, he has taken recently an English course. This example is incorrect because the adverb recently comes between the verb has taken and the subject an English course. There are many possible corrections for the sentence. Recently, he has taken an English course. He has recently taken an English course. He has taken an English course recently. You can see from these examples that there are many possible correct positions for the adverb. What's important for you to remember is that an adverb that describes a verb cannot come between the verb and its object. So here we have a chart that outlines the key points that you should remember about the position of adjectives and adverbs. Adjectives. A one-word adjective comes before the noun it describes. It does not come directly after. And adverbs. An adverb can appear in many positions, but it cannot be used between a verb and its object. Okay, let's move on to the exercise. Exercise 48. Each of the following sentences contains at least one adjective or an adverb. So we're going to circle the adjectives and adverbs. We're going to label them. And we're going to draw arrows to the words they describe that indicate if the sentences are correct or incorrect. So, number one, the store opened with the sale fantastic. So here you got fantastic, it's an adjective. Fantastic describes the sale, but it's incorrect because of the position that it has. It should be fantastic sale, not sale fantastic. The pharmacist has always filled our order quickly. So we got always as an adverb of frequency and quickly as an adverb of manner. Quickly describes fill. So this is okay. All right, now pause the video, complete the exercise, and then go back and look at your answers. Okay, pause the video now. Okay, now that you're back, since the political candidates express their opposing views, right? So we got political candidates, adjective, opposing views, adjective, everything is fine. The lawyer has selected carefully a new case. So a new case, that's okay. We got the verb selected. Here, however, we have situation, right? Because it should be has carefully selected. Remember that the adverb should not come between the verb and the object. Frequently, the coffee has tasted bitter, right? So, talk about the coffee, but this is a leaking verb. So it's okay to be after the verb, after the coffee. Yeah. And an adverb of frequency, frequently. This is an adjective. This is an adjective. This is an adjective. Yeah. Notice the wedding reception was held at a restaurant expensive. So this is an adjective describing the noun restaurant, but the order is incorrect. It should be an expensive restaurant. Says Claire has often, this is an adverb, traveled to New York. This is often travel. It's okay. Following the failure of the first set of plans, the manager has altered subsequently them. So like we said, this is incorrect because an adverb should not come between the verb and the object. So it should be has subsequently altered them. Students who have to study many hours daily during the program intensive. Okay, so same thing here. This is an adjective, and it should be during the intensive program. The naval officer has asked to transfer to a foreign country. You have an adjective, noun, everything's fine. Right, so take a look at what we did here. Get your answers. If you have any questions, you can go back to the explanation or just send me a message, put it in the comments below. And I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So again, if you found this material useful, please share it with somebody who might need it. Consider subscribing to the channel so you can get bigger and stronger. And give it a thumbs up. So that really helps YouTube algorithm. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next